Welcome to SG Riders, your go-to destination for the latest bikes and scooters from around the world. Today, we're diving into something bold, something aggressive, and something that screams pure attitude, the 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement on wheels. Design that turns heads. The 2026 Honda Fury continues its legacy as one of the most unique factory-built choppers ever made. With its long rake, stretched frame, and low-slung body, this bike looks straight out of a custom garage, but it comes directly from Honda. The iconic chopper styling includes extended front forks, slim, teardrop fuel tank, minimalist bodywork, fat rear tire for a muscular stance. Every angle of the Fury is designed to grab attention. Whether parked or cruising, this bike demands respect. Engine and performance. Under the aggressive design, the Fury packs a powerful 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This engine delivers smooth torque and a deep, satisfying rumble that chopper lovers crave. Key performance highlights: strong low-end torque for relaxed cruising, smooth power delivery, reliable Honda engineering, 5-speed transmission for easy highway rides. This isn't a race bike, it's built for style, comfort, and laid-back cruising with power on demand. Comfort and riding experience. Despite its radical looks, the Honda Fury offers a surprisingly comfortable ride. The low seat height makes it accessible, while the stretched-out riding position gives you that true chopper feel. Riding experience includes relaxed cruiser ergonomics, wide handlebars for control, stable highway performance, smooth suspension setup, perfect for long rides where style meets comfort. Features and technology. The Fury keeps things simple and classic, but still includes modern essentials. Digital speedometer integrated into the tank, fuel injection for better efficiency, ABS braking system for safety, shaft drive for low maintenance. It's a perfect mix of old-school design with modern reliability. Expected price and availability. The 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is expected to be priced around $11,500 to $12,500 in the USA. Pricing may vary depending on location and dealership options. For riders who want a custom-style bike without the custom price or hassle, this is one of the best options in the market. Why this bike stands out? In a world full of sport bikes and adventure machines, the Fury dares to be different. It's not about speed records. It's about presence, attitude, and individuality. Reasons to choose the Fury: unique factory chopper design, trusted Honda reliability, comfortable long-distance cruising, head-turning road presence. Final verdict: the 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is for riders who want more than just transportation. They want identity. It's bold, stylish, and unapologetically different. If you love chopper culture but want the peace of mind that comes with a factory-built machine, the Fury is the perfect choice. Outro, SG Riders. Thanks for watching, SG Riders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful bikes, future models, and trending rides from around the world. Stay tuned, because the next ride might just blow your mind.